Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and it's so great to have you here. And I can't believe we are doing this today, but this just happened. I have in my hands the new iPhone 12 Pro Max and I cannot wait to unbox it with you. So grab a cup of tea and you can join me for this. I got the 256 gigabyte gold iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's get into it. Really quickly in the comments, if you're planning to get one of these, what color phone did you get? Which one? I want to know. By the way, you should subscribe to my channel. It's good for you. Okay, here we go. Here it is. The box feels kind of heavy. It feels like there's a brick in here. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is heavy. This feels like a piece of fine jewelry. It just feels luxury. And I'm not used to what luxury feels like. Oh my gosh. This is so fancy. I've never felt this fancy. It is so gorgeous. You know, the thing that I can't believe, I have the gold 10s Max. The thing I can't believe is this color here is more like a champagne. Like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And the gold here, I thought it would be more of a yellow gold and I was a little worried about that, but no, this looks really, I'm impressed. So when I was looking at phone cases, I really wanted a yellow one and I saw the California Poppy, which seemed more yellow on the website. It's more orange, to be honest. It's more like pumpkin pie, but I absolutely love it. This is the leather one in California Poppy. I hear the video camera on this is amazing. I do a ton of videography, so this I'm so excited to have with me on the go. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, next we have in the box just a charging cable, and this is all that came in there. Wow. Apple sticker, just one this time around, which is fine because I never use them anyway. And then, yeah, this little guy. And a little bit of paper, just a very small amount. Wow, good job Apple for minimizing the amount of paper here. Wow. Okay, so that's it. I will probably start up my phone and I'll be back to you guys in a few minutes to show you the experience. Setting up my new phone took some time, so I'm actually going to be back soon with another video and I'm going to test out the camera on this. We are going to see how awesome this video camera is. Alright, stay tuned.